Hey everyone, Linus here. Sometimes your computer gets slow and annoying. It's like a car that hasn't been washed in years. A fresh Windows install is like a spa day for your laptop. Reinstalling Windows 10 can make your laptop run faster. It's like hitting the reset button. This is useful when your computer is full of junk. A fresh install can also help if you have a nasty virus. It's like getting rid of those pesky bugs that slow you down. This is a great way to start fresh and keep your data safe. So, if your laptop is acting up, a Windows 10 reinstall might be just what the doctor ordered. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's gather our tools. It's like getting ready to build something awesome. First, you need a USB drive. This will be our installation drive, like a key to a new house. Make sure the USB drive has at least 8 GB of storage space. You'll also need a Windows 10 installation file. You can download this from Microsoft's website. Don't forget your laptop's charger. We don't want it dying in the middle of the installation. Lastly, make sure you have your laptop handy. This is the patient we'll be operating on today. With these tools ready, we can proceed to the next step. Before we wipe your hard drive clean, let's back up your important files. This is like putting on a safety harness before doing something risky. You can copy your files to an external hard drive. This is like making a copy of your house key. Another option is to upload your files to a cloud storage service. This is like putting your valuables in a safe. Make sure you back up everything you want to keep. This includes documents, photos, music, and videos. It's better to be safe than sorry. Once you've backed up your data, we can move on to creating our bootable USB drive. Now let's create our bootable USB drive. This is like making a copy of your house key that can open any door. Download a program called Rufus. This is a free and easy-to-use tool. Open Rufus and select your USB drive. Then, choose the Windows 10 installation file you downloaded earlier. Click Start and wait for the process to complete. This process will format your USB drive. Make sure you have backed up any important data on it. Congratulations, you've created a bootable USB drive. This is our key to installing Windows 10. Section 5. Entering the BIOS or UEFI, telling your laptop what to do. In this section we will guide you through the process of instructing your laptop to boot from a USB drive. This is an essential skill for troubleshooting, installing new operating systems, or running live environments. Now we need to tell your laptop to boot from the USB drive. This is a crucial step if you want to run a different operating system or perform a system recovery. By booting from a USB drive, you can bypass the internal hard drive and directly access the files or operating system on the USB. This is like telling your car to start with a different key. Just as you might use a spare key to start your car, you can use a USB drive to start your laptop. This method is particularly useful when your main operating system is corrupted, or you need to use specialized software. To do this, we need to access the BIOS or UEFI. The BIOS, Basic Input-Output System, or UEFI, Unified Extensible Firmware Interface, is the firmware interface that initializes hardware during the booting process and provides runtime services for operating systems and programs. Turn on your laptop and immediately press the BIOS or UEFI key. Timing is crucial here. You need to press the key as soon as the laptop starts to power up. If you miss the window, you may need to restart and try again. This key varies depending on your laptop brand. Different manufacturers use different keys to access the BIOS or UEFI settings. It's important to know which key to press for your specific laptop model. It's usually F2, F10, F12, or delete. These are the most common keys used to enter the BIOS or UEFI. However, some laptops might use other keys, so it's always a good idea to check your laptop's manual or the manufacturer's website for the correct key. Once you're in the BIOS or UEFI, navigate to the Boot tab. This tab allows you to change the boot order, which determines the sequence of devices your laptop will try to boot from. Change the boot order to prioritize the USB drive. Move the USB drive to the top of the list so that your laptop will attempt to boot from it first. This ensures that the system will load the operating system or software on the USB drive instead of the internal hard drive. Save the changes and exit the BIOS or UEFI. Make sure to save your changes before exiting, otherwise the boot order will remain unchanged. Look for an option like Save and Exit, or Exit with saving changes. Your laptop will now restart and boot from the USB drive. If everything is set up correctly, your laptop should recognize the USB drive and boot from it, allowing you to access the files or operating system on the USB. This process can be incredibly useful for a variety of tasks, from installing a new OS to running diagnostic tools. Section 6. Installing Windows 10, step by step. In this section, we will guide you through the entire process of installing Windows 10 on your computer. Whether you're doing this for the first time or need a refresher, we've got you covered. Get ready, we're about to install Windows 10. Make sure your laptop is plugged in and you have a stable internet connection. Gather all necessary items like your Windows 10 product key and back up any important data. After your laptop restarts, you'll see the Windows 10 setup screen. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This is where the magic begins. Select your language, time and currency format, and keyboard layout. These settings will ensure that your Windows 10 experience is tailored to your preferences. Once done, click Install Now to proceed. Enter your Windows 10 product key when prompted. This key is essential for activating your copy of Windows and ensuring you have a genuine version. If you don't have one, you can skip this step and activate Windows later. However, remember that some features might be limited until you activate your copy. Choose the Custom Install Windows Only Advanced option. This option is ideal for those who want a fresh start without any old files or programs. This will allow us to do a clean install. A clean install ensures that your system runs smoothly without any leftover files from previous installations. Select the partition where you want to install Windows 10. This is a crucial step, so take your time to choose the right partition. Usually it's the largest one. The largest partition typically has the most space available for the new installation. If you're unsure, format the partition to create a clean slate. Formatting will erase all data on the partition, so make sure you've backed up any important files. Click Next, and the installation process will begin. This is the moment you've been waiting for. This might take a while, so grab a snack and relax. The installation process can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on your system's speed. Once it's done, you'll be greeted with the Windows 10 welcome screen, ready to set up your new operating system. Section 7. Setting up your new Windows 10, making it yours. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Windows 10. Now let's set it up to your liking. You'll be greeted by Cortana, your virtual assistant. Follow her instructions to configure your settings. Connect to your Wi-Fi network and choose your privacy settings. You can customize these later in the Settings app. Create a user account and set a password. This will help protect your data. You can also personalize your desktop background, themes and sounds. Make it yours. Section 8. Drivers and updates. Getting everything up to date. Now let's make sure your laptop is running smoothly. Head over to the Settings app and click on Update and Security. Check for Windows updates and install any available updates. Next, go to your laptop manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Drivers are like instructions that tell your hardware how to work with Windows. Install the drivers for your graphics card, network adapter, sound card, and other peripherals. This will ensure that everything is functioning correctly. Updating drivers can improve performance and fix compatibility issues. Section 9. Essential software must-haves for your laptop. In this chapter, we'll guide you through the must-have software that will enhance your laptop experience. Whether you're setting up a new device or refreshing an old one, these tools are essential for productivity, security, and entertainment. With your fresh Windows 10 installation, it's time to install some essential software. These applications will help you get the most out of your laptop, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently. These are the tools that will make your life easier and more enjoyable. From security to productivity and even entertainment, we've got you covered. First and foremost, install a good antivirus program to protect your computer from threats. Cybersecurity is crucial in today's digital age, and having reliable antivirus software can save you from potential headaches. You can choose from free options like Windows Defender, which comes pre-installed with Windows, or opt for paid options like Norton or McAfee for more comprehensive protection. Each has its own set of features, so pick one that suits your needs. Next, get a reliable web browser. Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge are popular choices. They offer fast browsing speeds, a range of extensions, and robust security features to keep your online activities safe. For productivity, install an Office suite like Microsoft Office or LibreOffice. These programs are essential for creating documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. Microsoft Office is the industry standard, but LibreOffice is a great free alternative that offers similar functionality. Don't forget about entertainment. Install your favorite music player, video player, and games. VLC is a versatile media player that can handle almost any video format, while Spotify is perfect for streaming music. For gaming, platforms like Steam offer a wide range of titles to suit all tastes. And there you have it. With these essential software programs installed, your laptop is ready to tackle any task you throw at it. You've successfully installed Windows 10 on your laptop and set it up with all the essentials. Your device is now equipped for productivity, security, and entertainment. Enjoy your fresh, fast, and personalized computing experience. With the right software, your laptop becomes a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals, stay entertained, and keep your data secure.